Hello everyone, this is Luqman Zaki. I'm the Quality Improvement Manager in Habib Medical Group, the largest medical group in the Middle East. We started our project titled With Outcome First, Shaping the Future of Centric Approach in collaboration with Council of Health Insurance in Saudi Arabia.
Our value-based healthcare program is based on a groundbreaking scale-up initiative that started with implementing patient-reported outcome measures for one condition and expanded to several conditions and several sites. The results of that were very impressive. We used them to improve our care in terms of pain management protocol as well as length of stay.
Our initiative is unique because of our rigorous system of data collection and analysis.
Patient outcome-driven improvement projects.
We have value-based healthcare link team in all our sites.
Leverage with IT to digitalize our patient surveys.
We started in one site, learned from it, and scaled up to all other sites.